How to log into MyHR CSV Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for MyHR CVS Employee Portal login. After you search for that, on the top here you'll find a website. So you can head over to the website right here, and this is by digital.elite, and it will take you to the sign in page. So let it load, and let's hold on and wait. So while this is loading, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now as you can see, it's been loaded. All you have to do is type in your user ID, then your password. After you do that, tap on log on. If you want to reset your password or ID, here you can do it from here. So simply tap on log on and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.